This is Debbi Dachinger, and I'm inviting you to my workshop at Channel Panel in Sedona, where I'm going to be talking about shamans, extraterrestrials, and global transformation. I am so excited that I get this juicy time with all of you because we're going to be going through ancient history and what's been happening since the beginning of time, shamanically and with indigenous people connected to extraterrestrials. Additionally, we're going to be talking about inventors such as Nikola Tesla, and what has happened in history, things that nobody knows. I'm not going to say any more right now, but it's very germane to the subject. Listen, anybody who knows me, maybe you've seen me on Gaia TV being interviewed on Beyond Belief, or you've seen me on many of the stages that I've spoken on, or on my podcast, Dare to Dream with Debbi Dachinger, or on someone else's podcast being interviewed. What you know about me is that I'm absolutely passionate about the subject of shamanism, extraterrestrials, where the two intersect, and why this information is so deeply important to humanity right now. I'm also going to be leading everybody who comes to my workshop through a profound experience because I get this incredible time with you. And I'm going to be taking you through a practice where I can install power and protection inside of you, where within this journey we'll be taking together, you'll be able to manifest some of your highest dreams. In addition, meet your animal totem spirit animal. And I can't say enough about how excited I am to get to know you, to work with you, and to guide you through this tour. I wish we could start right now, but be sure to click and join my presentation, my workshop, because I'm going to be delivering some brand new information that most people don't know about, talk about, and I'm very excited to share it with you.